Hey guys, I'm going to be answering the question if Romsfun is safe. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So, Romsfun is a website that hosts ROMs and emulator files so people can download and play classic video games from older consoles. At first glance, it looks attractive. There's a huge library of games, a user-friendly layout, and downloads are relatively easy without having to sign up. Some people report that the site uses secure web connections, so HTTPS, and that the gaming files usually match what they expect. That being said, there are a lot of risk and legal grey areas. First, many of the ROMs likely infringe copyright. Downloading games you don't own is against law in many places. Even if a game is old, that doesn't automatically make it legal. Also, while most files seem clean, there's always a danger of malware bundled in with downloads or misleading ads and pop-ups that try to trick you into clicking unsafe things. Users frequently warn about encountering fake download buttons or redirections. From a safety standpoint, if someone is going to use Romsfun, they should do so very carefully. That means using antivirus software, checking files type, so don't run anything with .exe unless you absolutely trust it. Using ad blockers, maybe even a VPN. Also, verify whether your country allows emulator usage or ROM downloading under copyright law. So in summary, Romsfun may appear usable and relatively safe in terms of cleanliness compared to some rogue sites, but it carries legal risks and security risks as well. So for many people, the safer route is buying classic games from legitimate sources or using services that have legal permissions to distribute retro titles.